What's up? Right at our house right now. We're experiencing some lake effect snow, and we're outside right now. We're so fluffy. Look at this. Oh. Alright, that's a neighborhood. Oh.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Out here for a sec. Stay out here for a sec. Okay, so that's our house.
Massive snowstorm.
Okay, guys, so it's snowing even worse now. I can't even see anything.
Here we are in Alaska.
We're out in Alaska. Oh my God! I can't. My phone's probably gonna break. So
I'm gonna go run to Elizabeth's house and back, eh?
yeah,
Watch.
I'll try and record. Hold on. I can't even see her barely. Oh God, my phone's gonna break. All right, just come back, yeah. Ah! Oh my God,
This is crazy.
this is crazy, man. This is crazy, mate. Oh God, we gotta go back in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out. Let's get out of the snow.
That was awesome. That was absolutely massive.
All right, so that was our snow video. We'll be sure to post more. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and we'll be making more videos. See ya.